In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 most powerful ways to use ChatGPT Canvas. Now, if you're new to Canvas, it basically lets you seamlessly collaborate on any writing project right within ChatGPT. So you don't have to keep going back and forth, copy and pasting between a Word document and ChatGPT. Now, to get started with Canvas, go up to the top here and select ChatGPT with Canvas. And now let's say, for example, we want to write a essay on the Great Gatsby, right? Great Gatsby. And without me even mentioning to open in Canvas, ChatGPT is pretty good at guessing when opening this in Canvas would help you. So to the right here, this section is the Canvas section, and to the left is your normal chat log with ChatGPT. So on the left, you can talk to ChatGPT just like you normally would about your document. And into the right side in the Canvas section, there's a lot of cool things you can do here. For example, you can directly click into here and edit the document, like so. And let's say we want to make a title for this. So let's ask ChatGPT, add a title. So there it added a title in bold here, The Illusion of the American Dream and the Great Gatsby. So what we can do is select here, and it'll pop up a couple different options. One is ask ChatGPT. So you can edit or explain whatever you've highlighted here. So we can say, make this in title font. So there you go, I made it a little bit bigger. You can also do that by highlighting and going to this icon here, and then you have different options for font sizes. So the heading 1 and going from biggest to smallest. You can also italicize, bold, and then of course the ChatGPT function. And in the bottom right, we can do a couple different things here. The very first thing is we can add emojis to it, but we'll skip that for now. For an essay, you typically wouldn't want to do that, but something like maybe an email or something in social media. And the next is adding a final polish to a final draft that you might have uploaded. And you can do that by going to this paperclip icon here and adding your final draft or adding your rough draft here as a file. And then ChatGPT will automatically copy and paste that into Canvas for you. And then if you go back to the add final polish button, it will go ahead and throughout your whole document and overall just make it a lot better. So now it even added headers, introduction, a lot of different headers for it. The next thing you can do is adjust the reading level. So you can have it lower the reading level to middle school or make it a little bit more or make it high school level. And this slider goes from kindergarten level, reading level, all the way to graduate school reading level. But for now, let's keep it the same. And next, we also get a slider here to adjust the length. So we can make it a little bit shorter or a little bit longer this way. And you can adjust easily with this slider. And you can also have ChatGPT suggest edits to make throughout your document. So let's see what it does here. So now throughout the document, it highlighted and added what could be improved here. So consider adding a pre-definition or context for the American dream to provide clarity for readers unfamiliar with the term. So if you think that would be a good addition, you can just simply hit apply, and ChatGPT will automatically write that in for you. Now, if you hover over a paragraph section like this, there's also a quick edit icon here, this little bubble icon. And just like before, you can ask ChatGPT to edit the paragraph in some way. So we can say, make a little longer. And ChatGPT will only edit that paragraph. Now let's say if you wanted to add a in-text citation and then also at the same time make a works cited section at the end of your essay, you can easily do that by highlighting the sentence you want the citation in. Ask ChatGPT, add an in-text citation and also make a works cited section at the end of this document. So now here you can see it added a in-text citation. And if we scroll to the bottom, it made that works cited section for you. And you can have it even change to APA format, MLA format, whatever format you would like. And to see what changes have been made by ChatGPT, you can go to the top right here, go to this show changes icon, and now in green, this is what ChatGPT added. And you can even scroll up here, and in red with a strike through, and this is what ChatGPT deleted, and green is what it added. So now let's say we just don't like the change that ChatGPT made. We can go up to the top right and go to previous version and click restore this version. And then it writes it back to how it was. Another really good way you can use this Canvas feature is to social media posts or maybe Instagram caption. But for an example, let's say we want to post something on Twitter or X. Write me a tweet with the goal to get the most engagement as possible. Here, ChatGPT didn't open this in Canvas. If anytime we want to, we can just say open in Canvas. And it'll open just like before with the essay. We can add emojis, maybe add a polish to it, adjust reading level, make it longer or shorter, or suggest any edits. And then we can also add anything we want here. Or if we just don't like something, we can delete it. Now let's say you want to write an out-of-office email. You can easily do that with Canvas. Write me an out-of-office email. Open in Canvas. And ChatGPT a lot of times leaves it blank in here for you to fill out. So this makes it perfect to use Canvas. So the date, I didn't tell it the date. So what we can do is say October 18th to October 21st. Now that I put that in here, ChatGPT will probably know what the return date is. So I can say add the return date. So now you can see it added October 21st just from me inputting it already in here. So you can also get a little creative with it and say, make it sound like it's from Hogwarts. You can also have it sound more informal, formal, whatever tone you want for the email. And going back to the bottom right here, you can add emojis to it. So let's see what that looks like. So here ChatGPT used quite a bit of emojis, so let's maybe tell it to use a little less. So now, added like 3 emojis throughout the email. With the other options here, you can add the final polish to it, just the reading level, the length, or have ChatGPT suggest any edits. Now another cool thing you can do with Canvas is if you have a research paper or any other document that is a little bit harder to understand, you can actually give it to ChatGPT and have it rewrite it for you in a little bit easier to understand language. So going over to ChatGPT, we can say open Canvas. It'll open it for you. And now we can copy and paste maybe just the introduction here. Paste it in here. And then once it's pasted, go to the bottom right again and go to reading level. And let's say make it about middle school level. And then ChatGPT, just like that, will make it a lot easier to understand without all the jargon. Now, if you found anything in this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I plan on making a lot more videos on how to automate these tasks and a lot more use cases and even how ChatGPT can earn you some money. But anyways, thank you for watching and stay tuned for those videos coming soon.